Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheikha. If you want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification on, and please like this video. Now I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids using any concealer, and then blend it out with a beauty blender, and then set the concealer with any light eyeshadow. Now I'm trying to carve out my cut crease using Inglot 10S brush with the shadow 335 from Inglot. Just lightly trying to apply my transition shade. Now I'm blending it with a Sigma E40 blending brush. Now I'm holding the brush like this to give me more precise application. I'm gonna flick the eyeshadow out a little bit, and don't worry if the shadow gets into your eyelid, because we will clean it up anyway. And now I'm cleaning under my eyebrow using the same shade that I set my concealer with, and of course blending it really well with the fluffy brush. Now I'm using Makeup Forever flat brush in the number 208. I'm using it with any concealer, and I'm gonna carve my crease slowly and then fill in the shape and trying to make it as clean as possible. Now I'm using Blitz pigment from Makeup Geek with any makeup spray, and use it to also fill in my cut crease. Now I'm cleaning under my cut crease and doing just my usual eyeliner. You can use any black liquid eyeliner. And now I'm using the same Makeup Forever brush and cleaning between the two lines and also underneath my wing. And now after doing my face makeup, I'm using Real Technique shading brush with the same shade from Inglot 335 and with a more precise brush from Sigma E15 flat brush. Gonna work it under my eyelashes, make it more defined. And then I'm gonna apply any highlight shade with a pencil brush to my inner duct and the first inner third. And now I'm applying my Pinkygoat eyelashes. I really love this style. And I'm gonna apply my mascara. And voila, we are done.
Shine bright like a diamond. Oh, yeah. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Please watch my other tutorials.